Planning for outdoor lighting is a key component to any outdoor project. Outdoor lighting comes in many options. There's incorporated lighting that is planned for and built into your patio project from the onset. That includes step lights and wall lights that highlight your seating and your pillars, as well as landscape lighting that focuses on trees and shrubbery and anything else that deserves to be highlighted. Penn Stone also offers a selection of freestanding and lamp lighting that are easily movable and can accent your space. Plan a time to come into Penn Stone and learn all about the lighting options. We can walk you through the process of how many lights are appropriate for your space, and even customization options such as choosing the temperature of your lighting. We can also recommend contractors and installers who specialize in outdoor lighting.